Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from May's Ipsy Extra. This month's theme is the art of everyday. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Rare Beauty Find Comfort Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash, First Aid Beauty Daily Resurfacing Lotion, Mischo Beauty Brush Set, Laura Geller The Wearables Pinking of You Eyeshadow Palette, and the Lithe Hydra Gloss. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, we have the First Aid Beauty Daily Resurfacing Lotion. This is a lightweight lotion that visibly evens skin tone and texture from post-acne marks to hyperpigmentation. The consistency is a lot lighter than their Ultra Repair lotion, and it feels really nice and refreshing. Next, I'm using the Mischo Beauty Brush Set. This features two blush brushes, one for cream and one for powder. First, I'm using the M101 brush to press on and buff out my cream blush. The bristles are soft and dense, perfect for laying down any cream product. Now I'm using the M100 to sweep on some powder blush, and I've got to say this is probably one of the softest brushes I've ever used. Now let's take a look at the Laura Geller Pinking of You eyeshadow palette. This 12-pan palette retails for $35. Let's swatch it. This is a really well-designed palette. There's a great mix of mattes and shimmers. First, I'm dipping into this matte neutral pink shade. I'm sweeping this onto the outer part of the lid. The formula is buttery soft, but there is a little bit of kickback in the palette. And I'm just adding whatever excess is left on my brush to my bottom lash line. Next, I'm picking up this matte white shade. I'm blending this into the inner part of the lid. White or beige shades can often look chalky or patchy, but this one is actually going on really smooth. After that, I'm applying this pink shimmery shade. I'm tapping a little bit of this onto the center of my lid. That unfortunately has a lot of fallout when using a brush, so I'm trying my finger now. Finally, I'm grabbing the darkest matte shade in the palette. I'm tightly packing this onto the lash line. Finally, I'm applying the Lithe Hydra Gloss. This is in the shade Plush. I love the treatment-forward formula to support hydration, and the color is really lovely for everyday use as well. Here's the finished look using products from May's Ipsy Extra. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.